Jai Hind everyone. Myself Dr. Subham Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Science and Humanities, Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today I am discuss important topic successive differentiation, which is the part of engineering mathematics first for BTech first year student. Now start. Successive differentiation. Successive differentiation is the process of differentiating a given function several times, and the result of such differentiation are called successive derivative. For example, let y is equal to e की power x is the any function, then first derivative of y is y1 is equal to e की power x, second derivative is y2 is equal to e की power x, and nth derivative is also e की power x. Then nth derivative is called successive derivative of y is equal to e की power x. The higher order differential coefficient have many application in various fields like engineering, petroleum engineering, etc. The formulation of successive differentiation was given by the greatest mathematician Leibniz, Cauchy, Riemann and Weierstrass. Mathematical formulation of successive differentiation. Now start. Let y is equal to fx be the any function if we want to change in x, then y is also change. Let change in x is x plus delta x and change in y is y plus delta y. Then y plus delta y is equal to f. Put x plus delta x in the place of x. Delta y is equal to f x plus delta x minus y. Using equation first, then we get delta y is equal to f x plus delta x minus fx on divided by delta x in both sides. Then delta y upon delta x is equal to f x plus delta x minus fx upon delta x. Let delta x tends to 0. It means limit delta x tends to 0, del y upon del x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 f x plus delta x minus fx upon delta x. The exact value of limit delta x tends to 0 del y upon del x is dy upon dx is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 f x plus delta x minus fx upon delta x, which is the formula of first principle of differentiation, and dy upon dx is called derivative of y with respect to x. The second derivative of y is called d2y by dx square, which is equal to d by dx into dy upon dx. Also third derivative is d3y upon dx की cube is d by dx square into dy upon dx. Now geometrical meaning of a successive differentiation. The first derivative gives the slope of any curve. Let C be the any curve and P be the any point on of this curve. Then the tangent at P is PT and the slope of PT is called first derivative. means m is equal to tan theta is equal to dy upon dx. Now the second derivative describes the change in the slope. We know first derivative is called rate of change and second derivative rate of change in slope, means rate of change meaning d upon dx or in slope dy upon dx. It is the geometrical meaning of second derivative. The third and higher derivative describe the curvature. What is curvature? The slope of the rate of change in slope is called curvature, and the rate of change in curvature is called third or higher derivative of any function. Some important formulas of nth derivative: y is equal to e की power x, then yn is equal to a की power n into e की power x. If y is equal to ax plus b की whole power m, then yn meaning nth derivative of y is equal to this, dependent upon different cases. Y is equal to log ax plus b, then yn is equal to minus 1 की power n minus 1 factorial n minus 1 a की power n upon ax plus b की power n. If y is equal to sin ax plus b, then yn is equal to a की power n into sin ax plus b plus n by 2. Now see proof of these formula. Formula number 1, y is equal to e की power x, then on differentiate y with respect to x, y1 is equal to e की power x into a. Again differentiate y2, differentiation of y1 is called y2 is equal to e की power ax into a square. Again differentiate y3 is equal to e की power ax into a की cube. n time derivative yn is equal to e की power ax into a की power n. It is a formula of nth derivative of y is equal to e की power ax. For example, if y is equal to e की power 3x, then find y4. y4 meaning fourth derivative of y, which is equal to a की power 4. It means 3 की power 4 into e की power 3x is equal to 81 e की power 3x. Second example, if y is equal to e की power 2x plus 1, then nth derivative is equal to 2 की power n into e की power 2x plus 1. Second formula, y is equal to ax plus b की power n. Then first derivative of y, it means y1 is equal to m into ax plus b की power m minus 1 into derivative of ax plus b, a. y2 is equal to m minus 1 into ax plus b power m minus 2 into a square. y3 is equal to m minus 1 m minus 2 ax plus b power m minus 3 into a cube, and so on. yn is equal to m minus 1 m minus 2 into m minus n plus 1 into ax plus b power m minus n into a की power n, on divided by m minus n into m minus n minus 1 into 2 into 1 and multiply also. Into ax plus b power m minus n into a की power n, which is equal to factorial m, and which is equal to factorial m minus n. Then yn is equal to factorial m into ax plus b power m minus n into power of n into factorial m minus n, which is the nth derivative of y is equal to x plus b power m. For example, y is equal to 2x plus 3 power 4. Then find its third derivative y3. y3 is equal to factorial 4 into 2x plus 3 4 minus 3 into 2 की power 3 upon 4 minus 3. This is answer. If power is minus 1, then first derivative is minus 1 ax plus b minus 2 into a. Second derivative minus 1 minus 2 ax plus b minus 3 into a 2. y3 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 ax plus b minus 4 into a की power 3 etc. yn is equal to minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 into minus n into ax plus b power minus n plus 1 into a to power n. Now taking minus 1 is common, then power of minus 1 is n and 1 into 2 into 3 into n. This is ax plus b power n plus 1 into a to power n, which is equal to factorial n. Then we get yn is equal to minus 1 power n factorial n into a to power n upon ax plus b power n plus 1, which is the formula of nth derivative of ax plus b into minus 1. Example, if y is equal to 2x plus 1 power minus 1, then find its nth derivative. Then find its nth derivative, it means yn. Then yn is equal to minus 1 into n factorial n. What is the value of a? 2. It means power of 2 is n upon 2x plus b power n plus 1. This is answer. Now formula number 3rd, y is equal to log ax plus b. First derivative of y means y1 is equal to 1 upon ax plus b into a. Ax plus b power minus 1 into a. Now y2 minus 1 ax plus b power minus 2 into a2. y3 minus 1 ax plus b minus 3 minus 2 into a to power 2 yn -1 -2 minus n minus 1 into ax plus b power minus n into a to power n. Now taking -1 is common, then -1 की power n minus 1 which is equal to factorial n minus 1 upon ax plus b power n into an, which is the formula of nth derivative of y is equal to log ax plus b. Example, if y is equal to log 3x minus 1, then find its nth derivative, means yn. Yn is equal to, use this formula, -1 power n minus 1 into factorial n minus 1 into a. What is the value of a? 3 into 3 to power n upon 3x minus 1 to power n, which is the answer of this question. Now formula number 4, y is equal to sin ax plus b, then find its nth derivative. Now here y is equal to sin ax plus b, equation first. y1 is equal to differentiation of sin is cos, means cos ax plus b into a. y1 is equal to, we want to change cos into sin, means sin ax plus b plus pi by 2, because both are equal, into a. y2, second derivative of y, sin cos ax plus b plus pi by 2 into derivative of this is a, and a is also present, it means power of a is 2. Now cos change into sin, sin ax plus b plus pi by 2 or 1 pi by 2 also, then 2 pi by 2 into a square. Then we can say yn is equal to sin ax plus b plus, in first derivative pi by 2 present here, second derivative 2 pi by 2 present here, then nth derivative n pi by 2 into power of a is n, which is the formula of nth derivative of sin ax plus b. We can also try the formula of y is equal to cos ax plus b, and yn is equal to cos ax plus b plus n pi by 2 into a to power n. Now formula 4 and formula number 5. Formula number 6, y is equal to e to power ax into sin bx plus c. On differentiate y with respect to x, then y1 is equal to e to power ax into differentiation of sin cos bx plus c into b plus sin bx plus c into differentiation of e to power x into a. Now taking e to power x is common, then we get b cos bx plus c plus sin a sin bx plus c. Put a is equal to r cos theta and b is equal to r sin theta, then we get y1 is equal to e to power ax b r sin theta into cos bx plus c plus a r cos theta into sin bx plus c. R is common, then use the formula, trigonometric formula, then we get y1 is equal to r e to power ax into sin bx plus c plus theta. This is the first derivative of y. Now in second derivative, y2 is equal to r square into e to power ax sin bx plus c plus 2 theta, and third derivative r to power n into e to power ax sin bx plus c plus 3 theta, and nth derivative is equal to r to power n into e to power ax sin bx plus c plus n theta, where r is equal to under root a square plus b square, and theta is equal to tan inverse b upon a. Similarly, we can also find the formula of y is equal to e to power ax into cos bx plus c. Now, example. First example is find the nth derivative of y is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 5x plus 6x square. We can write here 6x square minus 5x plus 1. Factor of this 6x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 1. Now y is equal to 1 upon 3x minus 1 है ना, x minus 1 and 2 x minus 1 and x minus 1. Use partial fraction. Y is equal to 1 upon 3x minus 1, 2x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. Y is equal to a upon 2x minus 1 and b upon 3x minus 1. Find the value of a and b, and we use the formula ax plus b power of minus 1 and get the nth derivative of yn. You can try this question. Thank you.